A single human sneeze can rocket out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour, propelling microscopic droplets into the air with a force that's both astonishing and a little bit alarming. This high-speed burst can scatter these droplets over a surprising distance, showcasing the incredible power packed into our everyday bodily functions. Imagine the intricate mechanics at play: your diaphragm contracts, your throat and chest muscles tense, and your lungs expel air with the velocity of a small hurricane. It's a biological cannonball, an explosive release that can be triggered by something as simple as a tickle in your nose. In just a fraction of a second, a sneeze becomes a high-speed spectacle, a reminder of the hidden strength within our seemingly ordinary bodies. So next time you feel that familiar tickle, remember the power you're about to unleash in the blink of an eye.